Hello, my sunshines. I miss you so much, but I hope you're having fun at home with your families. So, I wanted to try to read a story and send it to you, so hopefully this works. Since it's almost for real our spring break, even though we've been at home for the past few days, I wanted to read you The Little Blue Truck Springtime. Little Blue Truck is on the road, taking a drive with good friend Toad. It's a yoo-hoo sky blue spring scene day. Who do they see along the way? Yoo-hoo sheep, beep beep, what's new? A little white lamb, and a twin lamb too. Who's out swimming in a line? Yoo-hoo duck and ducklings 9. Yoo-hoo goat, what do you see? What do you say? Can the kids come out to play? There they are. Yoo-hoo cow, just munching corn. Yoo-hoo little calf, just born. Riker, what's a cow say? Moo! Good job. Mama pig, who's in your pen? Yoo-hoo piglets, 1 to 10. You want to count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ears and clover, that looks funny. Hippity hop, yoo-hoo bunny. Bunny sister, bunny brother, and another, and another. Mom, what's this nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Tap, tap. Anybody home? Who's inside this smooth round dome? Crickety crack, everybody shout. Yoo-hoo chick, come on out. Yoo-hoo sun, yoo-hoo sky, yoo-hoo white clouds sailing by. Birds that sing, frogs that leap. Yoo-hoo spring, beep, beep, beep. Bye guys, have fun. I miss you.